Here is a soft, fuzzy house cat.
Outside now, it is a pleasant December day.
And here is organic, triple filtered coconut oil. These are all examples for today's lesson. Hi again. Here I am in my kitchen, ready to explain the order of adjectives. Again, when there is more than one adjective in a sentence, there is an expected order to follow of the describing words or adjectives. So, as a review, you remember I called this an adorable glass plate. I believe I called this a beautiful, spiky, green plant. There are 10 categories of adjectives that follow a certain order in English. Don't worry, I'm going to post information below to make it very clear for you. Let's do some practice sentences together. Here, I have a large, shiny, silver spoon. In fact, I could even add another adjective. I could say a large, shiny, silver cooking spoon. Here, I have some delicious Canadian maple syrup. I'm going to share a few more with you. Wow, and here is a unique red flower. Read on labels. Here we have organic black peppercorns. Look for some examples in your own house. Here is some wild Atlantic kombu. I appreciate your time. Please reach out to me with any questions or comments. You can email me or you can comment below. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.